Toyota is revolutionizing the classic car world with their new zero-emission conversions of vintage models. At the Tokyo Auto Salon, they debuted two concept cars based on the iconic Toyota AE86, each with a unique powertrain. The AE86 H2 concept features a sleek Trueno body style and hydrogen storage in the trunk, while the AE86 BEV concept boasts a battery-powered electric motor and manual transmission for a one-of-a-kind driving experience. Both cars also feature restored seats made from recycled materials, further emphasizing their eco-friendly credentials. These concepts are not only visually stunning, but also pave the way for a future where vintage cars can be enjoyed without harming the environment. Don't miss your chance to see these innovative machines in action at the Tokyo Auto Salon.